Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the display. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down again and localize this option, Screen Timeout. So let's tap. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds. And at the bottom, 30 minutes, which is the longest available in this device. Of course, you've got also this option, Attentive Display, which prevents your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. So basically, all you have to do right now is to simply choose the option which is the most suitable for you, and then tap on it. Of course, we will have to verify ourselves, so just tap on it. Right now we've got 10 minutes marked, and it is also notified right here, which means that from now on this device will black out automatically after 10 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.